Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. The background is Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy Northern Lights, and this paper goes along very well with the pictures of my friend's daughter. And the black and white heart pattern is from the September kit. And I'm going to use this pocket which is Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy Journaling Kit bit is what it was from. So I'm just trying to figure out if I can do any other paper layers. I'm going to use a small strip of the black and white heart pattern, just so that is where a embellishment cluster is going to go. I'm going to write some of this stuff down. I always write the sizes, what I cut everything to, and put that on my blog. Which you can find at my scrapbooking corner at blogspot.com. So I'm just going to try to find some embellishments. And this, since it's perfect pictures, to use some flowers. And so that's what I'm pulling out. God, even after 3 cups of coffee, my head still hurts. Usually coffee does it. I think I need to go start doing my house cleaning. That will take my mind off it. And it'll help with my anxiety too. I'm very anxious today for some reason. And I never really was this way, where I felt like an elephant sitting on me all the time. But I do, and it just doesn't ever really go away, and I just hate it. So if I go clean, it helps. Cleaning, yard work. And I've tried, when I get anxious, I try to scrapbook, but it just makes it worse. So I don't know why, but it does. Because I love scrapbooking. That's usually my therapy if I need something. But anyway. So the die cuts are, of course, Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy. And I just seeing what I all used here. Okay. So for this title, I just used the die cut that is the season to be Freezin. And so the boots and the snowman and snowflakes, and then I'm also going to use a hat. and mittens, which is there in the upper left, are all Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy. Those snowflakes, and I'm going to use Warmest Wishes. That box I just put down. I'm going to use a penguin, sweater, socks, mittens, hat, and 'Tis the Season to be Freezin is the Hip Kit Club So Frosty, which was from the December 2019 kit. Oh, there, I'm drinking coffee there. So here's the So Frosty die cuts. Now those 3 different sized snowflakes are Keeping Cozy. The pink and brown ones that I have at the top, to the side, and at the bottom. Put them near each cluster. And so I do use, whenever I do a girl layout or baby layout, I do try to use the bows that have been in my stash forever. These are left over. I have bows left over from other kits. And those are from Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy as well. And then I'm going to use some phrase stickers, which are Dear Lizzie, and those are from a past kit, probably, like, I don't even know how long I've had them. I've had them that long. And so I really like how this turned out, and hopefully my friend, when I send these to her, she likes them as well. Which I need to get together these layouts that I just completed so I can send her that box. And so once I do the phrase stickers, that is what I use to just kind of complete, make me feel like it's complete. And so once I put those down, that is going to complete my layout. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.